What's the difference between all these HUUM heaters? Honestly, just how they look and where they sit in your sauna. That's pretty much it. Every HUUM heater shares the same philosophy. Massive rock capacity, open stainless steel baskets, the same safety certification. They all produce the same soft steam and the same even heat. And if you want to push it, the same scorching temperatures. So the real question isn't which one performs better, it's which one of these fits your sauna the best. You only need to answer 3 questions to figure that out. First, how much power do you need? This matters because different models come in different sizes. If your sauna needs a 15 kilowatt heater, the drop here isn't going to be an option. The biggest one is a 9 kilowatt from the drop series. And for example, if you have a small 2-person sauna, the Hive here, which you're looking at with massive stone capacity, is not going to work because the smallest heater is going to be a 12 kilowatt power output on that. And just to be honest, I think it's just going to be way too big for your space. Plug your sauna dimensions into our calculator and it'll tell you exactly what you need. For larger saunas, this question also answers the next one for you, because you'll need a freestanding heater by default. Second question, does your design call for a wall-mounted or freestanding heater? If you want the heater as a centerpiece, standing in the middle of the room, a wall-mounted drop won't really do the job. If you want something tucked into a corner, taking minimal space, a freestanding Hive probably isn't the right choice for you. For most 2 to 4 person saunas, which is what most of you are building, you'll have a real choice here, and it comes down to your design. Which one do you actually like the look of? All these HUUM heaters use the same Uku control system, the same engineering underneath. So imagine, I picked up this black Uku panel here with the HUUM drop and swapped it for a gold panel with the HUUM cliff, you can see right here, put them in the same sauna. Then I walked you to that sauna with your eyes closed, you really wouldn't be able to tell the difference. The heat in those saunas is going to be great either way, so pick the one you love looking at every single day. One heater that sits outside this framework is going to be the HUUM Core. Unlike the others, it has a closed basket design, which gives it a slightly different steam experience, and it is designed to be embedded directly into your sauna bench or finished tile, wood or stone. If you're building a fully custom sauna and want the heater to disappear into the design completely, this is definitely worth a look. Otherwise, everything I just walked you through before applies. If you work through all these 3 questions and still want a second opinion, don't be shy to call us. That's exactly what we're here for.